In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Acuity scheduling with your Facebook business and Instagram to enhance your business profile. This process is incredibly useful for making your scheduling more accessible to your customers through social media, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, log into your Acuity scheduling account. Once you're in, look for the integration section. This is where all your potential connections with other applications are managed. By connecting your scheduling with social media, you'll be opening up a smoother path for clients to book your services directly through platforms they use every day. When you're in the integrations area, you'll want to locate the option labeled Facebook Business and Instagram. The focus of this integration is to connect your scheduling capabilities with your Meta Business Suite, which encompasses both Facebook and Instagram. So go ahead and click on Setup next to this option. This will initiate the process of combining these powerful tools with your scheduling system. The next step involves connecting to Facebook and authenticating through your Meta Business Suite. Essentially, you're allowing your Acuity account to communicate with Facebook, creating a bridge between these platforms. Follow the prompts on your screen to proceed with this connection. You'll typically be asked to log into your Facebook account. Make sure it's the account associated with your business profiles on both Facebook and Instagram. If you have already logged in previously, it might just require a few confirmations to proceed. Once connected, you'll find that the process has helped to integrate your schedule with both Facebook and Instagram. This integration is particularly beneficial because it allows potential clients to interact with your business in a seamless fashion, moving from discovery to booking appointments with unprecedented ease. With the connection now established, you're ready for the final and perhaps the most practical step: adding the Book Now button to your Instagram profile. By following the on-screen guidance, you'll see how simple it is to add this feature. The Book Now button will become a direct call to action on your Instagram profile, enabling your followers to easily access your services and book appointments directly from Instagram, maximizing your potential for client engagement. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now successfully integrated Acuity scheduling with your Facebook business and Instagram, providing a user-friendly avenue for clients to book appointments. This integration not only enhances the efficiency of your scheduling operations, but also leverages the connectivity and outreach of your social platforms, ensuring your services are just a click away for your audience. Remember to check back in your Acuity account from time to time to see how this feature is performing and consider making any necessary adjustments to better meet your business needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helped make what can often seem like a daunting task an easy and beneficial upgrade for your business.